Good day, creative geniuses. Welcome. Welcome to my Wednesday Wisdom Window. I'm Suzanne Grace, CEO of Grace Inspire Sanctuary, where we come together once a week to have a new thought about this thing called life, take a breath together, meditate, contemplate. Yeah, I'm so grateful you're here. Whenever and wherever you're watching this from, please let me know. And also remember to pass it on. Pass on the inspiration to a friend who may benefit from something I say or read. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Today, and I wasn't here last week because I was camping in the Redwoods and it just didn't have great reception. So, but all of my Wednesday Wisdom Windows are archived and they're also on my YouTube page. So you can always go there as well. Today I'm going back to Mark Nebo from the Book of Awakening. And this is called Filling in the Day. So I'm going to read a little bit. Oh, I feel like I have to sneeze. Not yet. Gotta sneeze, you gotta sneeze. It's called Filling in the Day. So I'm going to read a little bit, then we'll do our breath practice, and then our affirmation. So he starts with a little bit of the Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland. This will probably sound very familiar. I'm late for a very important date. No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late. Right? I'm late. Oh, this is so familiar to me. So Mark says, I wake up clear and rested, light flooding my room. The day seems endless and free. But making coffee, I notice 3 bills I haven't paid. And after showering, I notice I need a haircut. And since I'll be out that way, I think I might as well pick up my shirts. But I so want to spend time in the sun, so I think, well, after all these errands, I'll go to the park. And then I will deliberate which park will be just right and decide on one 40 minutes away. Finally, wanting to make sure there's some fun in all of this, I call a friend and plan to meet her at a movie at 6 o'clock. Now, I have to hurry along to make sure I can get everywhere on time. But thankfully, while gassing up at the station, I hear a small bird, and I lift my head just as a cloud opens and the light floods my mind, and I drop all my plans like change on the ground. I laugh at myself. I can so easily become a slave to a schedule that I create. Not one of these things is necessary today. I drop everything and I follow the bird. Boy, how many times, I know for all of us, we have so much to do. And yet how important is it? And can we take our time, breathe, stay present? Yeah, it's just a sweet reminder. I'm late for a very important date. No time to say hello or goodbye. I'm late. Oh dear. So let's do a breath practice together. And then we'll take that into our contemplation. So feel your feet on Mother Earth and sit with that vertical spine, the Sushumna channel of the inner esoteric body, rising and extending from our tailbone up through the back of the neck, crown of the head, and then opening like a lotus flower at the top. And if it's comfortable for you, I invite you to close your eyes. And we're going to do an acupressure hold today that really helps to calm the mind and the nervous system. So you take one hand over your forehead, and one hand at the nape of your neck, right under the skull. And just lightly holding these 2 points is very, very calming. So when we feel like we're spinning and we're late, and we have so much to do and we're overwhelmed, we take a break. We take a moment. And remember, there's no lack of time anywhere. And so in this hold, we're just going to pause a moment, allow our touch to inform our brain and our heart. That coherence, that we're safe, we're present, we're relaxed. And so as we hold this, we're going to take 3 conscious breaths, our yogic breaths. And if your arms get tired, just rest your hands on your lap. That's fine. We're going to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth slowly. And on the exhale, I will be tuning the vibration of love and harmony. So inhaling from the belly, through the diaphragm, up into the brain, through the heart. And exhale slowly. Let's do straw breath through the mouth as if you're blowing out a straw. And again, breath in, yogic breath through the back of the throat. Pause at the top, exhale through the mouth slowly. And one more conscious breath in. Ujjayi breath. And slowly exhale. You can rest your hands on your lap if they aren't already. Keeping our eyes closed or at least lowering the gaze. Just bring to mind all that you have to do today. And feel it crowd around you. And center yourself and inhale each task slowly and exhale each sense of urgency. Inhale each task slowly and exhale the urgency. Just use your imagination and visualize all that you have to do today. And exhale each time with that urgency. And now drop all that is not necessary. Drop it. Drop all that is not necessary. Just let it go. Drop it. And as you drop it, you might feel a sense of spaciousness or space, more space. So just taking these few moments to do this little process can open us up to not panicking or not feeling overwhelmed, knowing everything gets done on time and in order. Take a deep breath. And our affirmation today is, I relax and enjoy my moments of wonder today. You can repeat after me. I relax and enjoy my moments of wonder today. I relax and enjoy my moments of wonder today. So I invite us today, as we step into our next activity, that we pause every once in a while, maybe look out the window, or if you're outside, look up at the cloud, look up at the birds. And drop all your urgency right at that moment and take a breath. It's so healing. Yes. Ah, good. Very, very good. And let's gently open our eyes and rub our hands together. Really needed that today. I have a lot on my plate. I guess that was perfect. Drop it. Let's clasp our hands, take a nice divine stretch up through our spine. Oh, bend a little bit. And open wide and wiggle your fingers. Come on back down to earth. Yeah. Very good. Thank you for joining me today, and let me know you're here. And also remember, you can pass this on to a friend that might be useful for. I appreciate you, and I look forward to being with you next Wednesday on Wednesday Wisdom Window. And remember, you can always go to my website, www.graceinspire.com, for many free resources. So I'm here for you. Thanks for being here. Namaste.